my dear friends. Today we are going to Excel's novel Colombo. First, we have to get coins for the entrance. Coin price for adult is 1,500 rupees and coin price for a child is 1,000 rupees. Operating hours of Snow World are 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. on December each year. Excel's Snow World is Sri Lanka's premier indoor snow-themed attraction located within the vibrant Excel World Entertainment Park in Colombo. It offers a unique escape from the tropical climate, allowing visitors to experience the magic of a snowy winter wonderland without leaving the city. Designed to mimic a frosty, snow-filled environment, Snow World provides an exciting array of activities for all ages. Whether you are looking for family fun, a novel adventure, or simply a cool retreat, Snow World delivers an unforgettable experience that blends entertainment with the charm of winter. Perfect for families, couples, and groups, it's an ideal spot for creating memories and enjoying a touch of frosty fun in the heart of Colombo. After enjoying 40-minute session at Snow World, we went to Kiddies Area for more adventures. Here are the ticket prices for the rides. So, this is the end of our excellent adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.